So you are now onto the class registration form. So you can put your class topic. Since the name is Alice and she's good with Jumba, we'll place a class topic something like Jumba classes with Alice. Your mobile number is automatically fetched. You need to put a class image as well. So we'll just choose one. Then down here in this class description, you can either design your classes yourself using, if you know HTML and Photoshop or just HTML, you can format this code or make a code of your own, HTML code, and form up a class description of yourself. Or you can use our default class format that we have, which will, the expected look, which will be something like this. So you can choose your image 1, your image 2, what the class all about, to submit all the details. These are very basic questions which we have asked. What is the class all about? What will be covered in this class, and who all should attend? What should you bring to the class, and other relevant details. So you can pretty much cover the most basic details of your class here by filling up this form. So on to the next page, you'll be able to see the class preview. Whatever you have created, Zumba classes with Alice, with the 2 images that you have put, what is the class all about, what will be covered in the class, and all the relevant details. You will also be asked if you have a venue or you don't have a venue. If you don't have a venue, that should not really stop you from sharing your skills with others. So let us worry about finding a venue for you. You just fill out the rest of the details and submit it to us, and we'll find a venue to you and get back to you. If you have a venue already, then it's just a piece of cake for you to post your class. You need to just submit your class start date. Let's say it's starting on 29th, which is a Thursday, 29th of November. If it's a one-day workshop, you just need to select 1 and the number of weeks the class is on. So number of weeks the class is on, it's going to be only for 1 week, and that too only on Thursday since it's a workshop. But in case of a class, if it's 4 weeks, let's say, then, and if it's happening Thursday, Friday and Saturday of every week starting 29th for the next 4 weeks, then you need to check Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So automatically you'll see the class end date has also changed. So you've submitted your class start date, end date, and the number of weeks it's going to be on what days it's going to be on. Now it's the time to pull out the class timings. So let's assume it's happening every evening 5 to 7, every Thursday, Friday, Saturday for the next 4 weeks. Cost you need to mention, which let's assume say 2000 rupees. You can select the state again, where is it happening, city, Bangalore. Again you need to mention the venue where this event is being conducted. Yeah, and you can mention the landmark for users to find your venue pretty easily, and you can submit the class to us. As you can see, the status is unapproved right now, so you can still edit your classes. You can have a preview of your class from here. You'll see all the details which you have filled, right from the class preview to everything, the class start date, class end date, start time, end time, and you can get back to the classes. If you feel there's a need to edit the details before the status gets changed, you can always edit it. You can edit the most basic details like class topic, mobile number. If you want to change anything in the class description, you can do that. If you want to change the state, city, address, landmark, cost, anything, you can always go ahead, change it and update it for us to approve.